Welcome PyCoders to the new tutorials for the beginner. So in last video tutorial we have seen how to create the class, how to create an object, how to call the methods and how to create the constructor as well and their types. So in this video we will see how to create the inner or nested classes in Python and how to call the methods from them. So to create the inners or nested class I need to have a one single class, and that class will be having that particular way same class inside the same. So we will have that two classes. By the two classes we will got created on the same. All right, so let's get started by creating the class. So I will open my Python IDE. All right, so here I'm gonna be created the new file. So Control N for creating a new file. So we will have a new file. So here I have got created a one single class. A class is called as a human. Suppose a human class I have got created. Now I have defining the constructor inside here. So init self. Okay, so here I'm got it decide to print all right, a message is like human started. All right, this is the message, and then I need to be define some methods or I simply define some nested class inside here. How to create the nested class? Inside a class you are supposed to be classes like this class, suppose talk. Okay, and here we have a one single function. That function is nothing but operation. All right, self, and here we will got print as talking started. All right, and again the same thing I have. Suppose we will have only one single nested class inside here, so I'm going to be created an object of this. But the thing is we not be created an object of that particular nested class outside the class. We want to create that object inside the class and inside the constructor of outer class. So I'm going to be created self dot, suppose my object name which going to be accessed by this human is nothing but talk, equal to talk like this, or we can use a talk like this. Simply we can check it later is it got working or not. All right, I will save this file as inner class example. Okay, so we will have at inner class. So here inside there what I will do, I will create an object of human as suppose I am creating an object of human like I said h1. Okay, human, I'm going to be creating an object. So let's get started. Just save this code first. By once I create an object it will got run or what, I will check it out by just run module, and you can check there is an error, the talk is not defined. We have to define it by such a way like self dot talk. All right, I'm just running that application and you can see that human started, it got printed. It will not execute the method from the talk. The method is nothing but an operation. Now the thing is I need to access this operation. The operation is placed inside the talk and talk is placed inside our human. So only by an object of human we can access this operation. How it will be like, first an object of human h1, then object of talk which is nothing but talk, and then our method which is nothing but operation. All right, we have saved this code again. We are just running this model. You can get human started, talking started. Again the same class. If suppose I will have the multiple class inside here, then I will got created another class like this, suppose class walk. Okay, and again the same operation I will have here, def. I said again same one operation, we can create the operation here, and print I said walking started. All right, I have saved this file. Now again the same one part, I need to access the operation from the walk. So object of this, first I need to create an object inside this. So self dot I said walk equal to self dot walk. All right, this is the name of class and this is the name of object. So h1 dot walk dot operation. Let's save this code out and checking the running of this application. You can get human started, talking started, walking started. So that how you can implement the nested or inner classes in Python. You can create an inner or the nested class, and that how you can access the same way in Python. Okay guys, so if you have some knowledge, if you gave some knowledge from this video, please give us a thumbs up. That will give us a motivation to create such a videos to you. And also do subscribe. If you are not going to subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Happy coding. Bye bye.